Our goal is to evaluate this definite integral. To calculate this definite integral, remember that the integral of k dx is kx plus c. The integral of x dx is x squared divided by 2 plus c. And in general, the integral of x to the n dx is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. And note that n cannot be equal to -1. So we're going to follow the process of using the integral, and then the fundamental theorem of calculus tells us if we have the integral of f of x dx, and x is ranging between a to b, and if you have the antiderivative as capital F, you end up with f of b minus f of a. Let me move this a bit. F of b minus f of a. So we are doing this and following the process to calculate this definite integral. The first integral is the integral of 1 dx, which is x. The second integral is 2x squared divided by 2 minus 3x cubed divided by 3, as x is ranging between 0 to 1. We can simplify this as well. 2 and 2, 3 and 3, they get cancelled out. So you have 1 minus 1 squared minus 1 cubed. And if you plug in 0, you get 0 minus 0 squared minus 0 cubed. But this is just 0 all the time. So this becomes 1 minus 1 minus 1. If you cancel out 1 and -1, you get -1 back as the result of this integral. Now suppose you have the following integral. We have the integral from 1 to 2 of 5x squared minus 4x plus 3 dx. Following the same sets of formula and the fundamental theorem of calculus. This integral can be written as 5x cubed divided by 3 minus 4x squared divided by 2 plus 3x, as x is ranging between 1 to 2. So remember that here you can simplify 4 divided by 2, which is just 2. So you end up with 2x squared. So you have 5x cubed divided by 3 minus 2x squared plus 3x, and the bounds for x are 1 to 2. So let us plug in 2, then plug in 1 and do the subtraction following the fundamental theorem of calculus and do the computation. You have 5/3, 1 cube, 2 cubed. Let's just fix this. Okay. Minus 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus. Now let us use a bracket and then plug in 1. You get 5, 1 cubed divided by 3 minus 2 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1. So you have 5 divided by 3 times 8 minus 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 6 minus 5/3 minus 2 plus 3. So in turns, if you factor out 8 between these two, maybe you can simplify it a little bit easier. You get 2 divided by 3 plus 6 minus. So if you just combine these together, this is just 1. You get 5 plus 1. 5 divided by 3 plus 1, or minus 8/3. Very good. So you have here between these two, you can factor out 8/3, and you end up with 2 minus 1 plus 6, or 8/3 plus 6, or 8 plus 18 divided by 3, 26 divided by 3 is the final answer for this definite integral.